안녕하세요. Koreanteacher Grace입니다. Today's class is the basic intonation of a Korean standard language. Let's enjoy! Do you know about the Korean standard intonation? Look at this line. The basic intonation of a Korean standard language is, but for syllables, it has the intonation patterns as down, up, or up, down, up. 더 hard, 그때, 버스, strong, 크트, 푸트, and friction sound, 스, 흐. When they come at the first syllable of the phoneme sentence, up, and last of the segmental consonants are absolutely down. Okay. For example, 미, 영, 이, 는, and 하, 영, 이, 는. What's the first syllable here? Okay. 미, 하. Okay. Good. As I said, the hard, strong, and friction sounds when they come at the first syllable of the sentence up, the last down. Okay? Then, is it down or is it up? Look at this. 미음. In 미, 그때 부스츠, 크트 푸츠, 스, 흐. It doesn't apply here, doesn't it? Okay, so down. So we can read down, up, down, up. Okay? And here in 하, yeah, look at this. 끝 부스츠, 크트 푸츠, 스, 흐. Can you see this? Here, there is. So, up. So we can read up, down, up. Okay? Good. Please listen to my voice. 미영이는 down, up, and 하영이는 up, down, up. Okay, listen again. 미영이는 and 하영이는. Okay, good. Let's check it out again. Look at this line. What's the first syllable here? Okay, 하. Up. 자. Up. 조. Down. Okay. More. 미. Down. 시. Up. 실. Up. 미. Down. 공. Down. 조. Down. Okay. Good. Listen to my voice. 하영이는 짜장면을 좋아해요. 미영이는 시험 보기 싫어해요. 미영이는 공부하기 좋아해요. Okay, good. It sounds weak. There's not much different, but you can hear the rhythm. Rhythm refers to the height of sound, value, length, and pause of sound, and it combines well to complete a natural sound that you say. In other words, a sound that you say is similar to a song. Okay, good. Korean is a syllable language, so it's different from English accent. In Korean, strength is not its word, but in the breaking rhythm stage. 하영이는 짜장면을 좋아해요. 미영이는 시험 보기 싫어해요. 미영이는 공부하기 좋아해요. Okay, good. In Korean, intonation does not change the meaning of words. It plays an important role in expressing emotions or attitudes in real conversations. So it's very important when you talk. I hope you learn how to speak softly when you speak in Korean. One more thing, when you talk, look into the other person's eyes, and you can say confidently until to the end. Okay? Good. That's it for today's lesson. Next class is the vowels. Please press like and subscribe. See you next time.